Welcome to Just a Minute. My name is Dr. Henderson, and these three brave personalities are going to attempt to play this game with me today. The rules are, as usual, that I will give them a topic and they must attempt to speak on that topic for 1 minute without deviation, hesitation or repetition. So next up we have, I should give the points as they stand. So as they currently stand, we've got Mr. Hibbard there at 9 points, Mr. Loosemore at 8 points, and then Miss Lee on 5 points. It's all very close, everything to play for. Now the next person to start is going to be Miss Lee, actually. And this is, what is below the knee, a take on uniform? What is below the knee, a take on uniform? You can say any of those words. You've got 60 seconds starting now.
A take on uniform. So you might be thinking, well, what is the uniform at the Maynard School? We have our traditional navy and green colours in our kilt and our jumper. And the girls get a huge amount of choice for their Maynard PE kits, shorts, leggings, hoodies, all the things that they really love to wear. Obviously, as with any school, they do like to bend the rules somewhat. So we do have quite strict rules and boundaries on our uniform and, not very much jewellery.
Mr. Hibbard.
Rules.
Absolutely on rules. I'm not sure why it took you so long. Rules is quite right. I think...
let it roll.
I only thought twice. I only spotted twice. 30 seconds, Mr. Hibbard, on what is below the knee, a take on uniform, starting now.
I actually really love the Maynard uniform, both as a parent and a teacher. I have two lovely girls in the junior school, and I'll be honest, when they put on their beautiful little pinafores the first time they came in, their little blouses, it was just such a special...
Mr. Loosemore.
Repetition on little.
Absolutely, repetition on little there. You're quite right. You gain a point, and you gain the topic. And with 12 seconds remaining, what is below the knee, a take on uniform, starting now.
What is below the knee, a take on uniform? My view on it is that the uniform is about tradition. It's about our history, our proud colours.
Hesitation?
Hesitation? Was there hesitation
Just
there?
before.
I'm not sure I spotted it. Mr. Hibbard.
He used the same structure, repeat of it is a take on.
Oh, you're very close. There was a word that was repeated. No?
History.
No takers?
Tradition?
No, tradition was once. Mr. Loosemore, I think you still have it. I'm not going to give you the point for an incorrect challenge because I think there was an acceptable challenge to be found there. But with 3 seconds remaining, what is below the knee, a take on uniform, Mr. Loosemore, starting now.
What is below the knee is up for some debate. I suppose we'll leave...
In this game, whoever is speaking when the whistle blows gains an extra point, which means, Mr. Loosemore, you are now on 10 points. Mr. Hibbard, also 10 points. Miss Lee, only a factor below on 5 points there. Everything to play for. Join us next time.